Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make your own Half-Life 2 Deathmatch server. You'll need two things to do this. You need the Half-Life 2 multiplayer server auto-install folder, which you can download from my blog, which will be in a link in the video description, and you need the Half-Life dedicated server update tool, which you can download from Steam. If you navigate to Steam's homepage and click on the Get Steam Now icon, it will take you to this page. Scroll to the bottom. There will be a title saying dedicated server. Download the Windows HLDS update tool. If you double click the tool, it will take you to an installer. Make sure your destination folder is set to C srcds. This is important because this is a location I have set the scripts to use. Click on where you're from. Mine's obviously Europe, if you listen to my accent. You don't have to view the README, it's nothing spectacularly important. Okay, open up the folder. Right click on Server Install Beta 1. Click Edit. Here you'll be able to see a location. In the location, change the part where it says username to your own Steam account login name. Once you've done this, save the file, close it, and run it. Make sure you allow any pop-ups that might come up from any firewalls you might have. This could take a while. Once it's finished, it should come up with a message saying your server is almost done installing maps. If you hit enter, it will now ask you if you would like to copy your maps. Press A. This shouldn't take as long as the other process did. Once this is finished, it should come up with a message saying press any key to continue. If you hit enter, it will close. You're now ready to launch your server. Double click on the server start command. It should open two windows. The first window is just a pretty much blank window. The second one is your source dedicated server. It's important that you leave both of them running, because if your source dedicated server crashes, this one will automatically start it back up again. If you scroll to the top of the source dedicated server, you'll be able to see the frame rate that the server is outputting, and how many people are on it, and what map it's on. If you scroll to the bottom, there'll be a cursor. You can type any commands you want to in here. For example, if I wanted to change the gravity. Now I'm going to launch Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. Once you're at the main window of Half-Life 2 Deathmatch, click on the Find Servers. If you go to Local Area Network, your server should be there. Even though it is in your Local Area Network tab, it will still appear in the Internet tab for everyone else. You should be able to see that this is a pretty normal server. If you want to change the name of your server, open up your terminal, type host name, and then the name you want your server to be. Or to have, sorry. There you go. Your server is exactly the same as any other server you'll have played on. It's using the same tool that all the paid companies use to run. The only difference is you haven't got any admin commands or options added on yet, and I'll come to that at a later date. This is an example of what happens if your server crashes. As you can see, the server has restarted itself. And you should be able to reconnect. Thank you for watching.